Hi, I'm Roberto Marquez. In this video, I review a beta version of a Minecraft companion app. Beginningly, I'd like to give a shout out to Sakana Ren, a YouTube Minecrafter or a Minecraft YouTuber that I saw using an inventory mod. It was really cool, and she mentioned that she wanted to. She wished it had one feature that was, not there. And I had actually wrote some code a while back that did that very thing. And she prompted me to put a UI version on it years later, or like 2 or 3 years later. And that's what this video is about. The software prerequisites for this project are Java Minecraft Edition. You have to have a legal copy of the game. JDK. Normally you would only need the runtime environment, but I'll get into why a development kit is involved. And because you're using a JDK, you're going to use some IDE if you want to run this program. Otherwise, you would have to write some script that runs it, but that wouldn't be too hard. But I am using NetBeans, and I'll show it in just how I'm running it from NetBeans in just a bit. Whenever I start a project, I like to write a user story so that I can always look back at exactly what I'm trying to accomplish. And this is more of an epic. I don't, because it doesn't have acceptance criteria. But the user story for this project is: as a Minecraft player, I need a companion app so that I can easily see what items are missing from partially complete advancements. Next, I'll demonstrate the use case in the in-game Minecraft advancement screen and describe how there's two types of advancements. One is like the one-time type. Okay, so this is Minecraft. If you play Minecraft, this should be familiar. And then if you hit escape, you get to this screen, which is, I guess, called the game menu. And next, I'm going to go to the advancement screen. And on the advancement screen, I'm going to show you Sweet Dreams, which is just going in using a bed one time. All it takes is one time to use a bed, and you get this advancement. And there's others like Sneak Near a Soaker that you just have to do one time, okay? But then in Minecraft, there's also these other advancements that are subtask type. And this is where it's one advancement, but you have to do multiple things to get it. And so, for example, I'll show you a husbandry advancement called Complete Catalog. And this is where you tame all the cats. So let's look at that. So it's on the husbandry tab, and it has a fish icon, okay? And it shows that I have 9 out of 11 cats, but it doesn't show me, it doesn't show the user, the player, which of the 9 that it has, nor which are the 2 that are missing. Okay, so that's where this app that I wrote comes in. But before that, I would like to show what would you have to do if you didn't have this app. How would you figure it out, right? Like, you write it down, you memorize it, and just refer to that document as you play. All right, or you can go and then, okay, so how do you know which all of them are? So let me show you in the browser on the wiki page for Minecraft where the advancements are listed. Like, here's the fish icon, a complete catalog, and these right here are all the 11 cats that you got to get, okay? Now let's compare it to this file here, which is your advancements directory. Okay, so let's go there. And I actually have it open. It's here, but I just want to show you that there's no funny business. So you can see here I'm in the my user directory .minecraft saves, and that's the world I'm looking at. And it's under advancements, and then that's the file. Okay. So if I look for catalog, these are the ones I have, right? So let's go through the list and compare it to the full list that is listed on the wiki. Okay, so do I have Tabby? Nope. Okay, oh no, I do have Tabby. Tuxedo? No. Okay, so I'm missing that one. Red, got it. Siamese, no. British short hair, got it. Calico, got it. Persian, okay, wait, what were the ones that I'm missing? See, I've already forgot. I've already forgot like what I have, what I don't. I could make another file and write it down or type it out. But this is what the app that I wrote aims to help with. So that you don't have 3 different windows open and are looking and wondering what I'm missing. Okay, so this is where the app comes in, and I'm gonna run it now from an IDE called NetBeans. Okay, I've already done this. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna start the app. It's fairly quick, but while it's coming up, I just mentioned okay, here's the app. So it tries to mimic the actual in-game screen. So this is starting off with the launcher, and none of these buttons actually do anything other than like portraying what the in-game screens look like, except for the play button. Okay, so you hit the play button, it takes you to what I think is called that was the launcher. This is I think called the title screen. This is the title screen, and there's options and quit. And if you hit single player, it takes you to the select world screen. And this is live. These are actually 2 worlds that I have in my desktop or this laptop. And if I go to Seadrill, I want to show you how under what was it? Sorry, I drew a blank. Oh yeah, I want to show you how complete catalog. It shows you what you're missing. So here's husbandry. The icon isn't correct, but it does correctly show you on the left hand side what cats I have tamed and which cats I am missing. So if you remember when I was going through this list, I was missing Siamese and black. Okay. I don't know if you want to pause and just verify that those are the 2 that I'm missing and that they show up here. Alright, next. I showed you how the complete catalog is, and I want to go back to just one more example of what it's doing in terms of which items are missing from a particular advancement. And the next one I'll show is under Adventure, Monsters Hunted. Okay, so here's Adventure. This sword represents the in-game, I think it's Adventure. Yeah, it represents this one, Monsters Hunted. So it's telling me that I have 27 out of 35. Which are the 8 that I am missing? Okay, but I don't know. I mean, I would have to go back into this file and figure out, and then go back to the wiki, or I can use this app that I wrote. Okay, I just go to the Adventure tab. Oh, I was already on the Adventure tab. But these are all the ones that I've killed. You may notice that I've applied the Minecraft font, but I haven't done it everywhere. I just figured out how to do it in one place, and then I'll eventually go to all of them. And then these are the 2, 4, 6, 8 that I'm missing. So I haven't killed the Zoglin, Breeze, Magma Cube, Wither, Slime, Cave Spider, Stray, or Endermite in this particular world. But for me, that's better than going through this list and then going through a crazy JSON file. So the next and near lastly part is I'd like to state the state of the app, which is there is no binary distribution. That's why I had to run it from the IDE. I did, however, start with a shell script to use JPackage to see if I can get the native image for distribution, but for some reason I couldn't figure out why it was not adding the Java FX dependencies for the runtime. And you may have noticed that it's still in development. The application still has hard-coded values in a couple of places, and there's some functionality that looks like it's there, but it's just a placeholder. But the main functionality of checking, which items are missing is there in functional. Feedback and constructive criticism are welcome. In the comments, or where, you could find my contact information on my profile. So once again, thanks goes to Sakana Ren for inspiring me to work on the GUI for this project. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more Minecraft application development with JavaFX.